All right, welcome back, my dear students. So let's continue our code with our slides functionality. All right, so we need to go and find the slider.php, which we have in resources actually, somewhere here, I believe. Let's check out our SINAF. I thought we had the slider.php somewhere here. I will remember that we did have that. Actually, we are in the wrong resources. We need to go to the front resources. There we go. So resources, templates, and then the front. There we go. All right, so this is our slider for our homepage right now, and I'm gonna just introduce you to it a little bit. So this is just in JavaScript here, telling us that it's gonna slide 0, 1, and 2 of slides, right? It's gonna have 3 slides. So it's data slide to 0. This is what's actually keeping stuff moving there, right? So the 0 slide is the active one, all right? So it's always gonna have an active. Without an active, this would not work. All right, then everything else is just regular slides. All right, then we have the previous buttons right here. Oops, previous, and the nets. All right, and if I go to the front, you can see that this is previous and the nets, and this is the 0, 1, and 2. All right, so let's get it going. All right, so what we need is we need a function that will display the active. All right, and another function that will display the regular ones, just to make it easier for us. All right. All right, so let's go to functions.php. All right, and let's get all the slides first, just to show you how this works. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is make a query, right? Let's do a query. Let's see if we remember how to make a query, right? Because for some of us, it's been a long time. Select all from where? Slides. All right, that's it, right? That's all we need there. We don't need anything else, all right? And then we can just go ahead and confirm that. We made it so easy that we don't even have to write that much code. This is beautiful, right? Then we create a while loop, and we'll say row. Let's make this equal to our fetch array function. All right, so this will be like ftch. There we go. All right. All right, so that would be that. So what else do we need down here? Do you remember? What we got, we need another of this just to make sure that we have for a while loop. So now what we need here, and I'm just gonna copy this basically. I think I have it somewhere else. Let me just check right here. Well, let's do a delimiter here. So I'm just gonna call this slides 2 and 3 and delimiter. There we go. Delimiter. And now let's go to slider. We'll copy these items down. We can just copy one of them like this. Slide image. All right, so let's go to functions, and there we go. Perfect. And now if we go and to slider.php and we take all this out, all right, we can write something just to differentiate them. So we could just make it, let me see if we can pass a parameter here. I think it's question mark, and then we can say text equals hello, just to see if we can differentiate our sliders, right? Our slides. So let's go ahead and echo this out. There we go. Copy this. I think we're good to go, right? We don't have any errors here that I see. Well, of course, the moment of the truth will be here. So PHP and then echo. Let's go back. All right. So let's see what we have. Enter with missing argument for fetch array. That's of course what is it that we're fetching, right? There we go. Enter. There we go. Click on it, and now we can see the new slides. Hello and hello, and then just the regular slide. So we have a function working now, so it's only a matter of us getting information from the database and plugging it right here. All right, so if you want to go ahead and try that yourself, you can. I'll see you in the next lecture.